Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and oh, what a rarity from newsbtc.com. What is this? An article intended to make people feel fear, uncertainty, and doubt coming from the likes of NewsBTC. Gosh, I've never heard of that coming from them before. This is clearly intense sarcasm, right? Here's the headline. XRP's 30% decline falls to bottom of cloud. Stormy days ahead if support fails. Look, I don't mind the analysis, but I'm just telling you, I'm going to keep pointing it out. They do this with XRP, and fine, you can have some negative headlines from other cryptocurrencies, but they go out of their way to highlight XRP. They absolutely do. They write about it an absurd amount, considering, it's like, well, consider this. XRP could not be more clear that it's just following the price action of Bitcoin big picture. So to me, it's always kind of silly, and not that all the analysis is bad, and so I'm happy to share it with you. I just like to kind of correct the record. People are not, it's not okay with me, like, people spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and then expect to not get, like, called out for it, I'm just saying here. But anyway, before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button, I would definitely appreciate the support. But don't smash, only dorks smash the like button, just a frilly little tap will do. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel, because if you do, all of your wildest dreams will come true. Vote for Pedro. All right, and by the way, so as I record this, XRP, it's at what, like 24.2 cents. So it's been coming down the last few days, but so has Bitcoin. I mean, look, Bitcoin's at $10,365. So I'm just saying, it's not like XRP was leading the crash downwards here. Anyway, XRP, like other major crypto assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, suffered a powerful collapse this week that turned sentiment from extreme greed to fear in a snap. Well, I'll tell you what, it didn't do that for your boy Moon Lambo. I'm still in greed mode, and I'm actually, and I mentioned this in my last video, I'm increasing the amount of XRP that I'm purchasing, and I will be doing that. I'm going to be making daily purchases in all likelihood for, I don't know, probably the next few weeks or so. I haven't completely decided that. I just started taking action on it today. So no, I'm still in greed mode. Give me all of your XRP. All of you people out there that are concerned and panic selling here, I will purchase your fear. Yes, please. I would love to have your XRP at a discount. I will buy all of it. But anyway, the altcoin called Ripple. Oh my God, it's not called Ripple. It's called XRP. You were grinding my gears here, son. It fell by over 30% from the 2020 high to the local low before rebounding. The fall also took the price per token to the very bottom of weekly Kumo support on the Ichimoku indicator. I don't know what the hell that stuff is. To me, as far as I'm concerned, Ichimoku, like, is that a Pokemon? Is that one of them Pokemans out there? I don't know what's going on, man. But anyway, it's a potentially bullish signal that in the past led to all-time highs. Losing the cloud, however, could signal stormy days ahead for XRP price. And then they had this little subheading about it falling 30% from 2020 highs. Well, last week, after the crypto market reached a staggering 80% year-to-date ROI, the rug was pulled and valuations began tumbling back down from 2020 highs. From the peak price of 33 cents per XRP to a local low of 22 per token, 22 cents per token, represents a 30% fall within just 3 weeks. Is this surprising? We're in the freaking world of crypto. This is not surprising in the least to me, right? Anyway, the abrupt and severe crash sent sentiment shifting toward fear, but not quite yet to the panic levels of Black Thursday. I would not hate seeing that again, just selfishly. I'm sure it would freak some people out. So it's not like I want you to like lose sleep or anything like that. I'm just saying, for me, it would be a super duper buying day. I would just be like, take all my money. Just here it is. Just take all my money. Anyway, after an over 200% rally from the 2020 lows, any correction may have simply been profit taking, and is nothing more than a healthy correction. It's just due to how fast it happened that has crypto investors shaken. Yeah, and I understand it. Like I always say, like I'm legitimately sympathetic to people that feel that way, but just being aware that this is how markets work, and if you're going to jump in, just know this. Like, to me, that offers a lot of peace of mind. Like, I'm going to let everybody else do the freaking out. I'm not going to participate. I'm just going to stay chill. because I suspect that XRP will be worth substantially more in the future. And I want to be clear, like I don't have a financial background, and I'm not offering financial advice, so definitely do not buy or sell because of anything that I say or write ever. But I am happy to just share my everyday Joe Schmo opinions about this stuff because it's fun to talk about. It's a fun topic of conversation, and I like engaging with the XRP community, but I want to be clear that is all that it is. But anyway, piece continues. Analysts are calling the recent crypto market price action a bullish retest of resistance turned support. And according to the Ichimoku indicator, that's definitely a Pokemon, dude. I know it. I know it. I don't know anything about Pokemon. That's a Pokemon, though. So it is exactly the case for XRP USD, they state here. And then they have this little subheading, Ripple Effect. Losing Kumo in past caused 60% crash, recovering it over 30,000% ROI. The top altcoin behind Ethereum may have fallen, but it is being held up by the 1 week cloud on the Ichimoku indicator, the cloud of Kumo highlights where potential support and resistance levels may lie, among other signals. It also expands and contracts based on volatility, and twists from green to red when a bearish reversal is coming, and vice versa. XRP holding above the bottom of weekly cloud support is bullish until the level is lost. Past XRP price cycles may shed some light on what to expect in the coming days. Now, in the past, the altcoin eventually lost the key level. 120 days later, it reclaimed it and went on an over 30,000% rally to its all-time high record. Over 30,000% in 120 days. And so that's why when I'm looking at people freaking out over price action like this, it's like, oh my God, are you not just aware this is how like XRP is illiquid and there's a frenzy around it? Is this surprising to you? And so people panic sell and then they miss crap like that. 30,000%. No, I will not be participating in your panic selling. No, thank you, sir. Not a freaking chance. So then they write, in less than 60 days alone, XRP had rallied over 4,000%. Although there's a happy ending to this story, the crypto asset suffered an enormous plunge after losing the cloud support. If the same happens again, XRP is in for some stormy days ahead. The cryptocurrency crashed 60% after losing the bottom support of the Kumo in 2016. Yet here we are. What do you know? Price levels are substantially higher than back then. XRP Ledger keeps on perfectly functioning, and it's actually being used in enterprise software today. So how about that? How'd that panic selling work out for you guys back then? Anyway, however, there is one major difference this time around. The Ichimoku indicator itself can be overwhelming, with several other lines and indicators offering other information about the market. For example, when the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines cross, I don't know, but I don't want to pretend like I know what the hell they're talking about here. This is chart analyst gobbledygook as far as I'm concerned. I just want to get to like the sentiment of what they're saying. But they say it can be a bullish or bearish signal depending on which is on top. In 2016, XRP was still bearish based on the crossover when it lost the cloud. This time around, XRP is bullish on weekly time frames. So the last time XRP got over the cloud, magic happened. Is that's what's next, or will the cryptocurrency fall one more time? If so, another 60% fall and 4 months may be left before the explosive rally happens, but when it does, it will be more than worth waiting for. Well, how about that? Getting to the truth. So they've got a scary headline here, and then they go on to talk about 30,000% rallies and that it may be just several months away. How about that? Well, take a look at this. Yeah, I mentioned this. There's a chart analyst named DIY Investing. I mentioned him on the channel from time to time. I like his channel, and he has predicted. I don't make predictions, so I just be making crap up. So I just don't even want to play that game. But DIY Investing has predicted that by the end of the calendar year 2020, XRP is going to be at $1, and that's not that far away. Look, we're already in September, so within the next few months, he's predicting XRP. Getting to that level. And that's why I keep saying, like, I'm seeing so many chart analysts that are saying we are, like, as close as you could possibly imagine to things going parabolic for the crypto asset class. I don't know if that's true. I'm not going to pretend to know. But that's also why I'm like, well, now that I'm willing to invest a little bit more, I'm going to try and, speed up this process here. And so somebody named the Velvet Grind to 13.8K wrote, "Pump it," and shared this graphic here. And you can see there's 2016 on your right, 2020 on the left, indicating that the charts look exactly the damn same. Now, DIY Investing responded and wrote, "Look at how the time frames are also the same. People are always trying to say how this time is different. when there is almost nothing different at all between these two cycles. People are thinking too much when the macro view could not be more obvious. So he's saying that history is repeating itself. And so that's why to me, like, again, I'm never going to offer financial advice. I'm never going to make predictions because I wouldn't know what the hell I'm talking about when it comes to, like, I just like researching the fundamentals around XRP and Ripple and everything. But I'd be super shocked if we never saw an all-time high for XRP greater than what we've already seen here. Take that for what it's worth, though. But that's it for this video. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!